Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add sections to Shopify store. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we want to do here is we need to go to shopify.com and log in into our account. Now once logged in, we need to view our store. So let's go to the online store section here, click on it, and you'll be redirected to the themes section. Now in the themes, what we need to do is just click on customize here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to view the page that we want to add section to. So in this case, at the top section of your screen here, you have homepage. So by default, you will be redirected to the homepage. So if you want to change this to a different page, go ahead and click on it. And from here, you have different pages. Now we have products here, wherein you'll be able to edit the product page, collection section, the pages here if you added new pages. Now in this case, let's go ahead and go back to homepage. Now at the left section here or left panel here, you'll be able to see different parts of your website. So we have the header, the template, and the footer. Now if you want to add a specific section on the header or footer, just click on the add section in there. Now depending on what part you are actually adding a section, there might be different sections that you won't be able to use on that specific part. Now in this case, for header, you'll only be able to use the announcement bar as well as the custom liquid section as well. Now for template, this is more freeing or it has more options because if you click on the add section here, you'll have 17 options to choose from. Now we have featured collection, featured product, collection list, rich text, image with text, and a lot more. Now let's say if you want to add an image, what you need to do here is you just need to click on the section here that says image banner. Now with the image banner, you'll be able to do different sections or different things. Now depending on what section you add here, there are different settings or options that you could edit. Now in this case, you could go ahead and upload a image here, like for example, the first image here, as well as the second image. Now you could also have the capacity or the availability to change the banner height, the image overlay capacity, desktop content position, the desktop content alignment. Now, if you aren't able to see this section here, go ahead and click on the section that you want to edit and you should be able to see the settings here. Now from here, if you want to remove your section, just click on the trash can icon here or the remove section at the right side here. But once you're done, just hit on the save at the top right. And from there, you'll be able to save your changes on your site. Now you might be wondering, how do you actually add additional sections? Because as you can see, there are limited things that you can add or use as sections. Well, there are two methods for you to basically add new sections. So one of those ways is by editing the code for your site. So in this case, we are in the online store section and in themes. Now in here, we have the customize button. So if you click on the three dotted icon here and click on edit code, you'll be redirected to the code section of your page. Now in this case, you'll be able to see different folders here. Now in this case, you need to go to the section folder here, and from here, just create a new section. But currently, this option is quite advanced and you might not be that knowledgeable, especially if you're not a programmer. Now in this case, if you want to make things a lot easier for you, well, you'll be able to do this via the store. So let's go back into our website or in our store here. And from here, we want to go ahead and go to apps. Now from here, search for section. From here, we need to install an application. Now we'll be able to see a application here that says section store theme section. So let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, you'll be able to install this one. And here, click on install app. And from here, it's going to basically install the section store into your shop. Now, in the section store, you'll be able to purchase different customized section. So meaning if you buy that specific section in the section store, you'll be able to see or you'll be able to use different sections or customized section. So just to give you an overview, let's go to explore sections here. And as you can see, there are different sections that you could use. So currently they are priced around $6.75 to above. Now they also have free sections here if you want to use that as well. So you can see we have the image gallery feature here and a lot more. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.